Here is a brief intro about how to fully disassemble this camera. First, remove all the screws you can find on the outer case. Here I left 2 screws to keep it whole, but you should remove them all. Then the front cover should be removed. And here are some tricks. This one, the tripod socket should also be removed. And there used to be the rewind level. Remove it first. Then you can see there are 2 holes here. With the help of these 2 holes, you can remove this one. And here is the cold shoe. It should be like this. Find a needle or tweezer to pick the cover out. Then you will find 3 screws here. Remove them. Remember to remove all the screws. This also should be removed. And do remember to open the back door, because the die-cast body and the outer case will go through. I mean, this door would go through with the die-cast body. The most tricky part is here. Press this push to the far end, then press it down. At this position, the die-cast body and the outer case should be separated with your 2 hands.